Day 2 at Collins Lake. Got everything charging, all the little solar lights. Got pretty cold last night, maybe down to about 30, 32, 34. They had a Mr. Buddy heater in the tent. I used a diesel heater in the truck. I think I started with the Jackery at 93% and it was at 77% after running it on low for 9 hours. So yeah, we've been fishing. Ain't pulled nothing in the curb though, but got bobbers in the water. And yeah, I had it ducted with a Y and a double duct going in. Filled the gap with a hoodie. And yeah, I slept warm. Nice warm dry heat. Neighbor's been fishing. We used our griddle and 2-burner stove. I just got that sucker on the way up here. Forgot the older one we had, so it was almost time to upgrade anyway, so we got a new stove. We went through 3 bundles of these firewoods last night. We got 3 bundles tonight. Got a little bit of sunshine left. Everybody's fishing, having a good time. Got a chance to set up all our gear. Running the moonshade. Some of the suction cups didn't work as good, so I'm using 4 suction cups. So I got it set up with 3 big ones now, and the small ones. So yeah, they're staying strong, and it's been a little bit windy. So shout out Moonshade and the man Cheddar, chilling.
Hey.
Nunu went up to the camp store to get a couple things. But yeah, the Jackery's running everything during the day. I put the panel back on it. It went back to 100%. I've been using the rinse kit. Rinse kit's been good for washing your hands for dinner and fishing and before bed. So yeah, man, we had a pretty dope spot here. Collins Lake, January 23. Happy camping.